Sweetie, we've missed you, babe. Eh? Oh, little girl. Oh, look at this. Oh my. What? Are you jealous? Are you gonna bite her? Ah! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, did you notice I don't have any lashes on? Today we're gonna be trying out another lash product, I suppose. I feel like I'm just obsessed with like trying to enhance my lashes. So today's video, we're actually gonna be trying out a heated eyelash curler. I've never tried a heated eyelash curler before. Even if I do curl my lashes, like I rarely curl my lashes because I just feel like it doesn't even do anything. But if I do curl them, I either use the NYX eyelash curler or the the Shoot Amora eyelash curler. Those are my two favorites. I find that those give the most like actual lift to my lash. So this guy is by Touch Beauty. I don't even remember where I got this, when I got this. I was sorting through a bunch of my stuff here and I was cleaning and organizing and I came across this. I'm like, why the fuck haven't I tried this yet? She's a little dusty, so I think it's been a while that I've had this. So it's by Touch Beauty. It says it's a heated eyelash curler. It says curls top eyelashes safely in seconds, heats up instantly, giving long-lasting results. It has a silicone pad that indicates when curler is ready to use and operated with one AA battery. It says it's made in China. Okay, I have here some nice PC AA batteries, a nice little plug there. I actually got these when I took my dad's Xbox from home, maybe in like, I don't know, November or something. I didn't understand, okay, it's like a big story, but I didn't understand that you don't actually need a battery for the Xbox controller. You just need like AA batteries. It was like a whole thing. But anyway, I have a TV in my bedroom and it's like everything I've ever wanted. Anyway, let's pop this puppy open. Wow. Oh, instructions. So it looks like we have the actual curler and then a lid or casing for the top of this, which I guess makes sense since this part is the part that's going to be heated. Safety first. We do have some instructions here. Maybe I'll peruse these really quick. French, English. Heated head, comb, temperature indicator, power indicator, cap. Ah, that's the word I was looking for. So for a size comparison, it's like quite similarly sized to like an actual eyelash curler. I don't know why you guys would be interested in that, but you know, cap goes on, I'm assuming. Oh, the cap actually snaps on. Okay, that's neat. So let's get the battery in the back here. There's a little house to put this. So let's just slide this in. Awesome, that was amazing. Batteries not included. And I guess we're just going to put this thing on. Now it says in the instructions here, so you let it heat up and then you place the heated head near the base of your lashes so that the curved tip fits the contour of your lashes but not touching your eyelid, obviously. And then you're supposed to hold the heated head, applying slight upward pressure for 8 to 10 seconds. So this is more of like a time commitment than a normal eyelash curler, because a normal eyelash curler you're like one and done, honestly. And then it says repeat as needed to increase the curl. Okay, follow with a coat of mascara if desired. I would think it's desired. So, I don't know how long it's been, like a second here. Is this heating up? I can't tell. I put the battery in backwards. I'm so dumb. So when you slide this on and off, there's a little green light indicator. We're supposed to wait for this color temperature changer to change color to let us know when it's ready. So right now it's green. I guess we'll wait. I love waiting. Oi! Hi! Where'd you come from? Hey? Where'd my boy come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, my little boy? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I want to stick my face in this, but my lip gloss will get stuck. But I want to so bad. Hey? Whoa, what was that? Look at those toes. Those are really nice. Look at these. Those are very, very nice toes. I wonder if this will curl your like fur. Will this curl your fur? Okay, I'm wondering if the green color means it's heated up because it's been like a minute and it's still green, but I don't recall it being like red or orange to begin with. The power indicator light will be on. The temperature sensitive indicator will change color from blue to white when curler is ready to use. Why is this green? It's literally green. I'm gonna try it because when I touch this, it's warm. Like the tip is definitely, it's warm. So I'm gonna we're gonna see. Okay, okay. Okay, so you're supposed to hold it at the base of your lash and then hold like upward for 8 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I'm counting too fast and my lashes are sliding. Ah, okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Holding it. You're supposed to, this is warm. Like not warm enough that you're gonna like burn yourself, but it's like warm. Okay, I did one stroke. Oh, it did lift them. Oh wow, okay, hold on. Let's actually try this and hold this on there for 8 seconds. So I think I need to like bend it to how I want my lashes to go and then you hold it. But that's like actually kind of hard. Let's try this way. I think I need to do it with my eye closed because my eyes want to slide. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's lifted them. They're definitely at a different angle. Let's just keep going.
You were saying?
Oh, that scared me. It's actually so hard to get a grip of your lashes because your lashes want to like slide. They're slippery little suckers. Okay, I have been doing this for 4 minutes and like I am not willing to commit myself to something like this. I mean, what do you guys think? Are my eyelashes curled? I guess there is like a lift to it, like specifically right here. Like I can see definitely that my lash has been lifted a bit. Let's see. Okay, there's a little bit more there. Maybe you just have to really like hold it. Okay, that is literally all the time that I'm willing to give to this device. What do you guys think? Is my lash curled? I've been doing this for so long. My eyelid is so warm right now. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use this YSL one just to see if the curl will come through the mascara. Oh, okay, so there's like a little bit of lift, I guess. What do we think? Okay, compared to the other eye, there's definitely some lift and some curl, but I have been doing this for so long. It shouldn't take me that long to curl my eyelashes. It just shouldn't. I am so over this. Like there are so many other things that I could be doing with my time, and I've been doing this for 20 minutes. I could have applied false lashes like 20 times in this time. So overall, did this thing work? I guess it did, because my lash does have like a lift and a little curl to it compared to this guy, which without any curling, it's just, they're very, very straight. So yes, there's a little bit of curl, but this also took me fucking 20 minutes and I do not have that kind of time in the morning. And for that reason, I'm out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've ever tried a heated eyelash curler, let me know the brand down below and what your thoughts are, because I like the idea of this, but this took me way too long. Maybe I just need to like get the hang of it, but like, you guys, I don't know. I would just rather have straight lashes, I think. I'm not like living. I want them to be like straight up to the sky. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.